Acorn coffee, we're gonna make some coffee. Bring some water to a boil in a pan. Add your acorns, including their shells, and boil them for around 20 minutes. Drain the acorns through a colander or cheesecloth and discard the water. Leave the nuts until cool enough to handle, preferably overnight. Peel the shells from the nuts. Hitting them firmly with something heavy usually helps. Discard any that look bad or have wormholes, and discard the shells. Roughly chop the nuts or run them through a food processor. Then roast the nuts until dark brown in colour. This can be done in a dry pan or skillet over a campfire, or alternatively, stick them in your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 30 minutes. Leave to cool and grind the acorns using a pestle and mortar or quern stones. If you have a coffee grinder, this makes life a lot easier. Grind until a fine powder is achieved. Store somewhere cool and dry until ready to brew. To make a cup of coffee, simply add 1 to 2 teaspoons to hot water and leave to steep for around 5 minutes. Alternatively, use a French press. Strain and discard the powder using a cheesecloth. You can of course add milk or sugar, but I quite like it on its own.
Skål!